Hello everyone, I'm Terry. This is my channel, Crafty Clefty, and I had a little accident with a little something I have, and it broke. So I'm going to try to fix it, and I'm going to use some ultimate glue and a little hot glue to try to stabilize it. And I don't know how, maybe it will be okay on the side, but I gotta find out how to do this. I'm not sure. Let's see. I think it's this side that goes against. Well, that looks like it's pretty well stable. But anyway, I want to take this time to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And welcome. And leave a comment if you like. And anyway, well, let's get started. Let me get my toothpick. Let me get my glue. Oh, first I think I'm going to use a little hot glue to help it to stabilize. Let's see if this is hot enough. There you go. Now, let me see. Let me pull it away. I'm just going to put glue here. Yep. And I'll wait a little bit. This probably won't hold because it's hot glue and not the ultimate glue. But this is going to help to stabilize it. Now, let me see. Tacky glue. Light repairs. This is heavy, so I'm going to use this. Toothpick. I mean the Q-tip. And see where that's at. That break. It's trying to hold. It dries clear, but this I think will make it like muggy. Let's see. I'm not sure how well that's going to hold. Let me see. I'm going to have to let it dry, and then I'll let you know if it worked or not. And here, I think I'm going to take the glue and put it down further to give it a little extra hold. I'll do it up here. This is just the back. This room is for a candle. And that's all I'm going to do for now. And it may be a little messy. Let me put a little bit thicker on here. I'm going to see if it holds. I hope so. It's a pretty thing. Okay. Well, that's all I'm going to do for now. I will show you, well, I shouldn't say that because I just go straight to the next film without you, well, if I didn't say anything, you wouldn't know. So anyway, I'm going to show you whether or not it stays. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And thank you. Bye-bye. Now this is cured. It's been 2 days. And you can see the drink, the imperfection. I didn't have it exactly on there straight. But it's holding and it's tight. But what I'm going to do now is, because I don't want to see that imperfection, I'm going to use these diamond germs. And they look like this. I'm going to put 2 of them on. And what I'm going to do is, beans, this seems to be facing, well, okay, we got the point here, a large point going down, so I may put the, I'll figure it out. I'm going to just start putting it on and see if that holds. And if it does, if it looks good, I may just add it all the way around. And so I'm going to just lay it down, well, that way. And let's see. First I'm going to put on the hot glue. Hot enough, I think. And put just a little bit on. Oh, I need another stick. This one's not big enough. Now just a little bit here. Well, you know what? I think I'm going to put on the ultimate glue and then put on the hot glue where I don't have this glue at. That may work out better. And let's see, it's going to be touching the edge. Okay, that should be enough. Now, I'm going to put the hot glue where I don't have this glue at, And it's going to be on the side here. Do it like that. And then here, touching the other side here, and then see how it looks. That's right here. This is here. This is here. Well, I didn't get it on exactly. Even. Well, okay, I took that one off. It's not exactly even, so I'm going to redo it. Take this hot glue off while I still can. Now, you can see. Okay, now you do it again. Now it's on there. And I'm gonna let that set. I'll show you what it looks like after it's done setting and everything. So thank you so much for watching. I'll have a picture of it. And I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, bye-bye.